Institutional demand for Bitcoin slow as market fights for support, Glassnode says. Hey everybody, welcome back to Lunar Crypto. Today we'll tackle that article that was published on June 30th, 2021 by Sephton on CoinMarketCap.com. Institutional demand for Bitcoin remains low, and the market is continuing to fight for support according to a new report. Glassnode says the world's biggest cryptocurrency isn't out of the woods yet after realizing the largest absolute losses in history. Losses are confirmed when BTC that was last moved at higher prices ends up being spent again at a lower price, indicating that it was sold for a loss. According to Glassnode, institutional demand for Bitcoin was a driving factor in 2020 and 2021, with prices often soaring on the back of significant announcements. But the intelligence firm's report pointed out that the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has been consistently trading at a discount in recent weeks. This effectively means that the shares in this trust are now markedly cheaper than the Bitcoin that is held in reserve. Where we're at. Although it bounced back from $30,000 in a convincing fashion, Bitcoin is now facing an upward struggle as it attempts to push beyond $35,000. After hitting highs of $36,542.11 in the past 24 hours, BTC was lingering just below $35,000 at the time of writing. One significant upcoming milestone will come in the middle of July, when a substantial number of investors in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust will be given an opportunity to sell their funds. Qualified investors who purchase shares from Grayscale are able to sell them publicly after 6 months, and $1.7 billion flowed into its fund back in January. JP Morgan's Nicolaus Panigirtzoglou has warned, quote, "These investors are likely to sell at least some of their GBTC shares, exerting downward pressure on the GBTC prices and on Bitcoin markets more generally." And that's our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.